Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you will be fine. Today we will discuss the exercise of unit number 4 Hazrat Asma radiyallahu ta'ala anha. First of all, I'll tell you the glossary. Here are some difficult words. You have to write the meanings of these words. I have already written the meanings of these difficult words for your comfort. Now let's begin with the very first word. Peerless, पुर खतर, डेंजरस, खतरनाक. वेंचर, मुहिमजोई, अंडरटेक, जिम्मेदारी लेना. फ्यूरियसली, गुस्से से, एंग्रीली, गुस्से से. रिफ्यूज, पनाहगाह, प्लेस ऑफ सेफ्टी, हिफाजत की जगह. इंस्टेंटली, फ़ौरन, इमीडिएटली, फ़ौरन या जल्दी से. कांस्टेंट, मुस्तकिल, रेगुलर, बाकायदा. डिटेक्ट, सराग लगाना. टू फाइंड आउट, पता लगाना. राइप, पुख्ता, मैच्योर, पुख्ता. रिवील, ज़ाहिर करना. शो, ज़ाहिर करना या दिखाना. Now move to next question. Find the stress words in the following paragraph. इस पैराग्राफ में स्ट्रेस अल्फाज की निशानदही करें. The first stress word is preparation. For this journey is also a stress word. Was made at the house. House is also a stress word of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is also a stress word. Hazrat Asma radiyallahu ta'ala anha is also a stress word. Rendered, useful services. Guys, useful services is also a stress word. In this regard is also a stress word. She prepared is a stress word. Food for this journey. I have already told you that journey is a stress word. She tied is a stress word. The food on the camel back is a stress word. With her own belt is also a stress word. As nothing else, nothing is a stress word. Could be found. For this service, I have already told you that service is a stress word. She was given is a stress word. The title of Zatun Nataqeen is a stress word by the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Here the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a stress word. Now move to next question. How many syllables do the following words have? दर्ज झैल अल्फाज कितने syllables रखते हैं? The first word is politically. Here first syllable is pol. The second is, the third one is politically. So the word has 5 syllables. Now the second word is polish, means chamkana. Polish, this word has 2 syllables. Polish, 2 syllables. The third word is polka. means raqs. This word is also has two syllables, polka. The fourth word is poll, election या इंतखाब. This word has just one syllable. The last word is pollen, zardana. Pollen. This word has two syllables. Now move to next question. Give pronunciations of the following words with the help of the pronunciation key given in your dictionary. अपनी डिक्शनरी में दी गई प्रोनंसिएशन की मदद से दर्ज झैल अल्फाज की प्रोनंसिएशन करें. द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ एमिग्रेंट, मुहाजिर. द सेकंड इज़ पेरिलस, दुश्वार गुजार या बहुत ज़्यादा ख़तरनाक. द थर्ड वर्ड इज़ इन्फ्यूरिएटेड, गुस्से में. नॉलेज, इल्म. स्टेडफास्ट, डटे रहना, साबित कदम रहना. नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. दर्ज झैल सवालात के जवाब दें. स्टूडेंट्स, आई हैव टोल्ड यू द आंसर्स ऑफ these questions in previous video. Now move to next question. Now students, I am going to tell you the basic definition of cataphoric reference. An expression that refers to a later expression in the discourse is called a cataphoric reference. ऐसे अल्फाज जो बाद में आने वाले अल्फाज का हवाला दें कैटाफोरिक रेफरेंस कहलाते हैं. एग्ज़ाम्पल, द रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम एंड हिज क्लोज कंपेनियन हज़रत अबू बकर सिद्दीक रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु माइग्रेटेड फ्राम मक्का टू मदीना इन द ईयर 622 AD. रसूल पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम और आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के साथी हज़रत अबू बकर सिद्दीक रज़ी अल्लाह तआला अन्हु ने 622 ईस्वी में मक्का मुकरमा से मदीना मुनव्वरा हिजरत फरमाई. Here this word, his companion. Now I'm going to tell you anaphoric reference. This is the basic definition of anaphoric reference. An expression that refers to an earlier expression in the discourse is called an anaphoric reference. ऐसा कलाम जो गुफ्तगू में अपने से पहले कलाम की तरफ इशारा करता है anaphoric reference कहलाता है. You can see the example of anaphoric reference. Hazrat Asma radiyallahu ta'ala anha was amongst the early few who accepted Islam. हज़रत अस्मा रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हा इस्लाम कबूल करने वाले इब्तदाई चंद एक अफराद में से थीं. She was the daughter of हज़रत अबू बकर सिद्दीक रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु. वो हज़रत अबू बकर सिद्दीक रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु की बेटी थी. Students, you can see here the word Hazrat Asma radiyallahu ta'ala anha is an anaphoric reference, and the second word is she, means Hazrat Asma radiyallahu ta'ala anha is an anaphoric reference. Now move to next question. Tell whether the references given in these sentences are anaphoric or cataphoric. बताइए इन जुमलों में एनाफोरिक रेफरेंस कौन से हैं और कैटाफोरिक रेफरेंस कौन से हैं. द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज अबू जहल द चीफ ऑफ द डिसबिलीवर्स इन अ फिट ऑफ फ्यूरी हेडेड टुवर्ड्स हज़रत अबू बकर सिद्दीक रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु's home. He began to knock at the door violently. अबू जहल कुफार का सरदार गुस्से से पागल होकर हज़रत अबू बकर सिद्दीक रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु के घर की तरफ चल पड़ा. इसने ज़ोर ज़ोर से दरवाज़े पर दस्तक देना शुरू कर दी. Here the word Abu Jahl. You know the basic definition of anaphoric reference, so this is an anaphoric reference. Now move to next sentence. Her grandfather Abu Quhafa radiallahu ta'ala anhu was a disbeliever at that time. आपके दादा अबू कुहाफा रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु उस वक्त काफिर थे. You know the basic definition of cataphoric reference. Her grandfather. So this word is a cataphoric reference. The third sentence is, when Aslam was playing cricket, he hurt his hand. जब असलम क्रिकेट खेल रहा था तो उसका हाथ ज़ख्मी हो गया. Here the word aslam. Aslam is anaphoric reference. Now move to next sentence. Before he finished the word, Neelam had checked the mistakes once again. काम ख़त्म करने से पहले नीलम ने दोबारा गलतियाँ चेक की. Here the word she. She is cataphoric reference. The next sentence is, Anis threw the stone, he broke the window. अनीस ने पत्थर मारा, इसने खिड़की तोड़ दी. Here the word Anis and then he. These two words are anaphoric reference. Now move to sentence number 6. When she entered the room, जब वो कमरे में दाखिल हुई, Ziba was surprised to see so many guests. तो ज़ेबा बहुत से मेहमान देखकर हैरान रह गई. Here the word. Students, in this sentence the word she is cataphoric reference. The next sentence is, the city of gardens, Lahore, is also famous for its historical places. बागात का शहर लाहौर अपने तारीख़ी मुकामात की वजह से मशहूर है. Here the word city of gardens is a cataphoric reference. Now move to next question. Choose the correct meanings of the underlined words. The first, it was so delicate a situation. Guys, the word delicate means nazuk, so its answer is sensitive, means nazuk. The second one is, Abu Jahl began to knock at the door violently. Violently means zor zor se, so the answer is forcefully, zor zor se. The third is, she simply posed a counter question that infuriated Abu Jahl. The word infuriated means गुस्से में. Here the word enraged means गुस्से में. She remained steadfast and did not reveal the secret. The word steadfast means साबित कदम. Here the word firm and resolute, पुख्ता. Now move to next question. Consult a dictionary to find the meanings of the following words, phrases, and use them in sentences. डिक्शनरी की मदद से इन अल्फाज या फ्रेजेस के मायने तलाश करें और इन्हें जुमलों में लिखें. The first word is mad with anger. Its meaning is गुस्से से पागल. The second one is fit of fury. गुस्से से पागलपन का दौरा. Reveal the secret. राज जाहिर करना. Resolute साबित कदम या पुख्ता. Alleviate कम करना. माइग्रेशन, हिजरत, कंपेनियन, साथी, रिफ्यूज, पनाहगाह, गिव अवे, बांट देना या तकसीम कर देना, डिटरमेंट, पुरअज़्म। I have told you the meanings of these difficult words or phrases. Now your task is to make sentences by your own self. Now move to next question. Now students, I am going to tell you the basic definition of abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of a quality, action or state. Abstract noun खूबी, अमल या हालत का नाम है. Abstract nouns are formed from adjectives, verbs and common nouns. Abstract nouns adjectives, verbs और common noun से बनते हैं. Here you can see example. She faced every calamity of life with patience and valor. उन्होंने ज़िंदगी की हर आजमाइश का सब्र और हौसला से मुकाबला किया. Here the word patience, सब्र, valor, हौसला. These are the examples of abstract noun. Now the next question is, underline the abstract nouns in paragraph number 4. This is your task. You can do it by your own self. Now move to next question. Form abstract nouns from the following adjectives and verbs. इन verbs और adjectives से abstract nouns बनाएं. Use these nouns in sentences of your own. The first word is courageous. Abstract noun is courage, courageousness, हौसला. The sentence is, he is regarded for his courageousness. उसकी हौसला मंदी की वजह से उसकी इज्जत की जाती है. The next word is empty, खाली. Its abstract noun is emptiness, khala. The sentence of this word is, the voice of vessel shows its emptiness. बर्तन की आवाज़ उसका खालीपन या खला ज़ाहिर करती है. The third word is difficult, मुश्किल. Its abstract noun is difficulty या difficultness, मुश्किल. The sentence of this noun is, he helps me to solve my difficulties. वो मुश्किलात हल करने में मेरी मदद करता है. The third word is generous, means फ़याज़ या सखी. Abstract noun is generosity. Generousness. The sentence is, she is well known for her generosity. वो अपनी सखावत की वजह से मशहूर है. The next word is resolute, पुरअज़्म. Abstract noun is resoluteness या resolution, अज़्म. The sentence of this noun is, his strong resolution shows that he would succeed. उसका मजबूत अज़्म ज़ाहिर करता है कि वो कामयाब हो जाएगा. The next word is suffer, मुब्तिला होना. Abstract noun is suffering, मुसीबत, दुख या तकलीफ़. Sentence is, seek help from Allah in your sufferings. अपने मसाइब में, अपनी मुश्किलात में अल्लाह ताला से मदद मांगें. Put articles where required. जहाँ ज़रूरत हो वहाँ articles लगाएं. The first sentence is, trees are grown on either sides of the canal. You can put here article the canal. The next sentence is her courage and patience are exemplary. उसका हौसला और सब्र मिसाली हैं. Here the word is exemplary. The next is kindness and tolerance are noble deeds. मेहरबानी और बर्दाश्त नेक अमाल हैं. Are the noble deeds. You can put here the article. The next is higher you go, cooler it is. जितना बुलंदी पर आप जाएंगे ज़्यादा सर्दी होती जाएगी. Here you can put here article. The higher you go, the cooler it is. The next is he is tallest boy in his class. वो जमात में सबसे ज़्यादा लंबा लड़का है. He is the tallest. You can put here the article. He is the tallest boy in his class. The next is dog is faithful animal. कुत्ता एक वफादार जानवर है. The dog is faithful animal. The next is Indus is the largest. You can put here the article. Indus is the largest river in Pakistan. दरियाए सिंध पाकिस्तान का सबसे बड़ा दरिया है. The next word is Mount Everest is highest peak. Is the highest peak. You can put here the article. The highest peak in world. माउंट एवरेस्ट दुनिया की बुलंद तरीन चोटी है. अलीज़े इज़ मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल इन स्कूल. अलीज़े इज़ द मोस्ट. You can put here the article. The most intelligent girl in school. अलीज़े स्कूल में सबसे ज़्यादा ज़हीन लड़की है. The next is where are books which I bought a week ago. वो किताबें कहाँ हैं जो मैंने एक हफ़्ता कबल ख़रीदी थी. Where are the books. You can put here the article. Where are the books which I bought a week ago. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions given below. The first is the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam migrated from Makkah to Medina. From Makkah to Medina in 622 AD. Now move to next page. Abu Jahl in a fit of fury. In C option. In a fit of fury headed towards Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq's Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu home. The third one is he began knocking at the door. You can see here the first option is at the door violently. The fourth is at this she instantly ran towards to a corner of the home. The fifth one is she has resolute faith in Allah Almighty. Option B is she gave away. You can see here option D. She gave away all the money to the poor and the needy. The next is her life would always be a beacon of light. Beacon of, you can see here the option B of beacon of life for all of us. Now move to next question. Fill in the blanks with prepositions of time. The first is Ali is arriving on January 26 at 2 o'clock. You can write here at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The second is Saqib is leaving on Friday. You can write here on Friday at night, at noon. The third is Usher worked for his law firm in 1965. The fourth one is I met Shaheen at 9 a.m. The doctor will see Alize in the evening. You can write here in the evening. Sobia has her birthday on September. You can write here on September 11. The last is we will have vacation in summer. You can write here the word preposition is in. Now move to next question. Punctuate the following using capital letters, commas and full stops. कैपिटल लेटर्स, कॉमास और फुल स्टॉप को इस्तेमाल करते हुए इस पैराग्राफ को पंक्चुएट करें. द रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. यू कैन राइट हियर टी इज़ कैपिटल द रसूल और इज़ कैपिटल द रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम एंड हिज क्लोज कंपेनियन. After companion you will put here comma. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. Hazrat H capital, is also capital and B is capital. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. S of Siddiq is capital. Radiyallahu ta'ala anhu migrated from Makkah to Medina. Migrated from Makkah. M of Makkah is capital to Medina. M of Medina is also capital. In the year 622 AD. You will write here A capital dot D capital. Then put here dot. When the chiefs. W of when you will write capital. When the chiefs of various tribes of Makkah. M of Makkah is capital. Came to know about the migration of the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. R of Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam is capital and his close companion. After companion you will write here, put here comma. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. H of Hazrat is capital. A of Abu is also capital and B of Bakr is also capital. S of Siddiq is capital. Radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Then you will put here comma. They got furious. Then put here dot. Now I hope students the exercise of unit number 4 Hazrat Asma radiyallahu ta'ala anha is cleared, and if there is any confusion in your mind then you can ask in comment section, and if you like my video then subscribe my YouTube channel Malik Science Academy and press the bell icon for notifications. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.